Northeast Greenland National Park is a vast and wild place. It is the largest national park in the world, covering an area larger than most countries. This remote wilderness is a sanctuary for Arctic wildlife and a stark reminder of the power of nature. Established in 1974, the park encompasses a significant portion of Greenland's northeastern coast. It is a land of extremes where towering glaciers meet the icy waters of the Arctic Ocean. The park is home to a surprising array of life, all adapted to survive in this harsh and unforgiving environment. Northeast Greenland National Park teems with iconic Arctic wildlife. This vast and remote area, spanning over 972,000 square kilometers, is the largest national park in the world. It is a sanctuary for a diverse array of species that have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Polar bears, the apex predators of the region, roam the ice floes in search of seals. These majestic animals are perfectly adapted to their icy habitat, with thick fur and a layer of fat to insulate them from the freezing temperatures. They are powerful swimmers, capable of covering vast distances in the frigid waters. These magnificent creatures are a symbol of the Arctic's raw beauty and the challenges faced by wildlife in a changing world. As the ice melts due to climate change, polar bears are forced to travel greater distances to find food, putting their survival at risk. Musk oxen, with their thick coats and distinctive horns, graze on the sparse vegetation. These hardy animals have roamed the Arctic tundra for thousands of years, enduring the brutal winters with temperatures that can plummet to -40 degrees Celsius. Their ability to withstand the extreme cold is a testament to their resilience. They form tight-knit herds to protect themselves from predators and the elements, showcasing the strength of community in the animal kingdom. Arctic foxes with their thick white fur dart across the tundra, hunting for lemmings and other small prey. Their fur changes color with the seasons, providing camouflage against the snow in winter and the tundra in summer. These animals, along with walruses, seals, and a variety of bird species, create a vibrant ecosystem within this frozen landscape. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this unique environment, demonstrating the interconnectedness of life in the Arctic. The flora of Northeast Greenland National Park may seem sparse, but it is surprisingly diverse. Low-lying shrubs, mosses and lichens cling to life in the harsh conditions. During the brief summer months, colorful wildflowers emerge, adding splashes of color to the otherwise monochromatic landscape. These hardy plants have adapted to survive long periods of darkness, freezing temperatures and nutrient-poor soil. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for various animals. The landscapes of Northeast Greenland National Park are breathtaking in their scale and beauty. Towering glaciers, some of the largest outside of Antarctica, flow towards the sea, carving deep fjords into the coastline. The ice formations, sculpted by wind and water, create an ever-changing spectacle of icy peaks, crevasses, and icebergs. These glaciers are not just beautiful, they are also indicators of climate change. Their retreat in recent decades is a stark reminder of the impact of global warming on this fragile environment. Guardians of the Arctic, conservation and research in Northeast Greenland. Protecting this pristine wilderness is paramount. Northeast Greenland National Park is a haven for scientific research, providing valuable insights into climate change, wildlife adaptation and the delicate balance of the Arctic ecosystem. Scientists from around the world come to study its unique environment, working to understand the changes taking place and their global implications. The park's remote location and strict conservation measures have helped preserve its natural state. However, the challenges of climate change require ongoing monitoring and international cooperation to ensure its long-term protection. Section 6. A changing landscape, climate change and its impacts. The Arctic is warming at an alarming rate, and Northeast Greenland National Park is on the front lines of climate change. This region, known for its pristine and untouched beauty, is experiencing some of the most dramatic transformations on the planet. The rising temperatures are not just a distant threat, they are a present reality that is reshaping the landscape. The impacts are already being felt with melting glaciers, shrinking sea ice, and the retreat of once massive ice formations. These changes are not only visible but are also measurable, providing concrete evidence of the rapid pace of climate change and changes in wildlife migration patterns. Species that have adapted to the cold Arctic environment are now facing new challenges. The altered migration routes and breeding patterns of animals like caribou and polar bears are clear indicators of the stress that climate change is placing on the ecosystem. These changes threaten the delicate balance of the ecosystem and the survival of species that depend on it. The interconnectedness of the Arctic ecosystem means that the impact on one species can have a ripple effect, influencing many others. The melting of the Greenland ice sheet contributes directly to rising sea levels, with global consequences. Coastal communities around the world are at risk of flooding, and the loss of ice also means the loss of a critical component in regulating the Earth's temperature. Understanding the rate of melting and its impact is crucial for mitigating the effects of climate change worldwide. Scientists are working tirelessly to gather data and develop models that can predict future changes, helping us to prepare and adapt to this rapidly evolving crisis. Section 7, a shared responsibility protecting Northeast Greenland for the future. Preserving the untouched beauty of Northeast Greenland National Park is not just the responsibility of a few, but a global imperative. As stewards of our planet, we must act now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the impacts of climate change. International cooperation, scientific research, and individual actions are all crucial in this endeavor. By supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable practices, and raising awareness about the Arctic's plight, we can help protect this unique and irreplaceable ecosystem for generations to come. Section 8, visiting Northeast Greenland, experiencing the Arctic wonderland. While remote and challenging to access, Northeast Greenland National Park offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience for adventurous travelers. Guided expeditions offer opportunities for wildlife viewing, kayaking amidst icebergs, and witnessing the raw beauty of the Arctic landscape. Visiting this pristine environment comes with a responsibility to minimize our impact. Following strict guidelines for waste management, respecting wildlife, and supporting sustainable tourism practices are essential for preserving the park's delicate ecosystem. Section 9, a call to action preserving our planet's last frontiers. Northeast Greenland National Park stands as a testament to the power and fragility of our planet. This vast expanse of pristine wilderness, covering over 972,000 square kilometers, is the largest national park in the world. It is a place where nature reigns supreme, untouched by the hands of industrialization and urbanization. Its untouched beauty, unique wildlife, and scientific significance make it a place of global importance. The park is home to a diverse array of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From the majestic polar bears that roam its icy shores to the elusive Arctic foxes that dart through its snowy landscapes, every creature here plays a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Let us answer the call to action and work together to protect this and other last frontiers of wilderness, not just for ourselves, but for all life on Earth. Conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring that these habitats remain intact. Scientists, researchers, and local communities are all working tirelessly to study and preserve the unique biodiversity of this region. Our actions today will determine the fate of these precious ecosystems for generations to come. The changing seasons in the Arctic are a stark reminder of the delicate balance that exists here, from the blooming of Arctic flowers in the brief summer months to the harsh, icy grip of winter. Every season brings its own challenges and beauty. Let us choose wisely and act decisively to ensure that the Arctic's wonders continue to inspire and amaze us for centuries to come. The breathtaking views of glaciers and icebergs, the serene sunrises over ice fields, and the incredible resilience of life in this harsh environment are all testaments to the enduring beauty and strength of our planet. Together we can make a difference.